Stop doom scrolling. Travel can fix the planet. Here's how. What if your next trip left reefs healthier and forests bigger? For years, travel meant guilt. In 2026 that ends. No compromises. It's not a compromise, it's the upgrade. Forget everything you knew about eco-travel. Welcome to regenerative tourism. Trips that restore nature and empower communities, while staying epic, comfortable, and unforgettable. Today, 6 breathtaking places proving sustainability equals adventure. These innovators heal the planet as you explore. Ready? Costa Rica, the global icon. Evolved first up is a name you already know, but it's time to see it in a whole new light. Costa Rica has been the poster child for ecotourism for decades, but for 2026, it's taking its famous Pura Vida philosophy to the next level: community-based regeneration. See, for years, the problem with even the greenest tourism was that the money often flowed to big corporations, bypassing the very people who protect the land. Costa Rica is changing that. The country is focusing on a model where tourism money directly empowers local families, farmers, and conservationists. Imagine skipping the crowded resorts and staying in a community-run lodge in the rainforest, where your visit directly funds reforestation projects. Think of places like the Osa Peninsula, one of the most biodiverse spots on Earth. Here, pioneering eco-lodges like La Rios and El Remanso proved that luxury and sustainability can go hand in hand, running on renewable energy and protecting huge areas of primary rainforest for animals like jaguars and scarlet macaws. But in 2026 the experience is even richer. Through networks like Cooprena, you can connect with dozens of rural communities for authentic, immersive stays. You're not just a tourist, you're a participant. You can join a local family for a home-cooked meal, learning recipes passed down through generations. You could visit a cacao farm near Bijagua de Upala, not just to taste chocolate, but to understand its cultural meaning from the farmers themselves. Or in the Sarapiquí region, you can join workshops with artisans who use locally sourced materials, ensuring your souvenirs support traditional skills. This is about more than just spotting animals. It's about becoming part of the ecosystem that protects them. In Tortuguero National Park, community-led efforts helped bring nesting numbers for the green sea turtle back from the brink of extinction. Your visit with a certified local guide ensures these ancient creatures are protected, and the income you provide gives the entire community a reason to preserve their natural heritage. In Costa Rica, you're not just observing the Pura Vida, you're helping to create it, proving that the best travel experiences are the ones that give back. Sardinia, Italy. The art of slow travel. From the lush rainforests, we head to the heart of the Mediterranean, to an island that is basically a masterclass in living well and traveling smart: Sardinia, Italy. This isn't just a destination, it's a lesson in longevity and responsible tourism. The problem for so many beautiful spots in Europe is over-tourism, the crushing weight of crowds that harms the environment and the local culture. Sardinia's answer is slow tourism. It's a philosophy that ditches the frantic, checklist-style vacation for deeper, more meaningful connections with the place and its people. For 2026, Sardinia is inviting travelers to explore its rugged landscapes not by bus, but by foot, bike, train, or even on horseback. Imagine cycling along the lesser-known western coast to discover secluded beaches like Izarrutas, famous for its quartz sand that looks like grains of rice. Or picture yourself hiking ancient trails on the Sinai Peninsula, a protected marine area where paths wind through sea, lagoons, and dunes, far from the summer crowds. The regional government is actively promoting routes like the Camino 100 Torre, an incredible 1,284-kilometer path that guides walkers along the entire coastline to discover authentic villages and artisan workshops. This slow approach is also key to its world-famous food. Sardinia is one of the planet's 5 blue zones, regions where people live exceptionally long, healthy lives. Their secret is a diet that's naturally sustainable, plant-based, locally sourced, and shared with community. A trip here is a culinary pilgrimage. You can stay at an agriturismo, a farm stay, where you'll eat meals made from ingredients grown right outside your door. You'll taste pecorino cheese from grass-fed sheep and drink local Cananao wine, rich in antioxidants. This isn't just food, it's a taste of a sustainable lifestyle. Sardinia is also smartly blending tradition with technology. New hotels are being built with integrated solar panels and advanced water-saving systems. In a cool twist, AI-powered tools are even being developed to create personalized itineraries that guide travelers to hidden gems, spreading out tourism and preventing overcrowding. A trip to Sardinia in 2026 is an invitation to slow down and travel in a way that respects the land and its ancient traditions. It proves that a lower carbon footprint can lead to a much richer travel experience. Hainan, China, the emerging regenerative hub. Our next destination takes us to a place that might surprise you. Often called the Hawaii of China, Hainan province is rapidly transforming itself from a tropical tourist hotspot into a national testing ground for a green future. For many booming destinations, rapid development comes with a huge ecological cost. Hainan is tackling this head-on, aiming to become a leader in regenerative tourism, the idea of actively restoring ecosystems as part of the travel experience. And the most exciting part of this plan is happening just beneath the waves. Off the coast of Sanya, Wuzhezhou Island is the center for a major coral restoration project. Working with marine biologists, the government is fighting reef degradation by creating artificial habitats to give coral a new place to grow. But here's the truly innovative part. They're turning conservation into a hands-on experience for visitors. Tourists can now learn from experts and even help plant coral babies themselves. It's not just a tour, it's a chance to directly help a vital marine ecosystem come back to life. Hainan's vision for 2026 stretches across the island. A government action plan is creating a network of marine-themed scenic spots and eco-resorts that connect coastal tourism with the preservation of the interior. In remote places like Daoyin Village, you can experience this firsthand. Eco-tours here involve hiking through pristine forests to reach the village of the Li minority people, where visitors learn about their culture, participate in traditional farming, and help with biodiversity surveys. The island is also restoring its wetlands, which are crucial habitats for birds. The Meisha River in Haiku, once polluted, is now a thriving national wetland park, where it's common to see egrets flying overhead. Hainan is a powerful example of a region consciously choosing a green future. For travelers in 2026, it offers a unique chance to see and participate in large-scale environmental healing, proving tourism can be a force for regeneration. We're halfway through our guide to the planet's most forward-thinking destinations. These places are proving that your vacation can be a real force for good. If you're feeling inspired and believe travel should be about more than just checking things off a list, then hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And now, a question for you. If you could visit any place that's making a real difference, where would it be? Let us know your dream eco-destination in the comments below. We read every single one. Now, let's get back to the guide. Queenstown, New Zealand. Avantage without the guilt. Next, we're off to the adventure capital of the world. Queenstown, New Zealand is all about adrenaline, bungee jumping, jet boating, you name it. But the problem with many high-octane adventures is their high carbon cost. In response, Queenstown has set one of the boldest goals in global tourism, to become a fully regenerative carbon-zero destination by 2030. And this isn't about carbon offsetting, which is basically like paying someone else to clean up your mess. This is about true decarbonization, eliminating carbon emissions from tourism entirely. It's a goal so ambitious that even its creators admit they don't have all the answers yet, but they're using Queenstown's pioneering spirit to invent them. For the traveler in 2026, this means you can get your thrills with a clear conscience. Imagine skiing at a resort powered entirely by renewable energy. Picture yourself racing through the canyons of the Shotover River, not in a gas-guzzling machine, but in the world's first fully electric jet boat, which is currently being trialed. Even the iconic century-old steamship, the TSS Earnslaw, is planned to be converted to run on clean hydrogen. The plan, called Travel to a Thriving Future, is a partnership between the local council, tourism boards, and the indigenous Kai Tahu people, ensuring regeneration is guided by deep cultural values. The strategy also encourages visitors to stay longer, reducing travel emissions, and to explore more deeply. A visitor give-back program called Love Queenstown lets you easily donate to a fund that supports local climate and conservation projects. You can even join volunteer opportunities to directly help the landscape you came to admire. This is a destination moving beyond just leaving no trace, to leaving the place better than you found it. By 2026, Queenstown will be well on its way to proving that the biggest adventures don't have to come with a big environmental price tag. Finland, where nature and technology coexist. From the peaks of New Zealand, we head north to a country of forests and lakes, a place where high-tech innovation and a deep respect for nature go hand in hand. Welcome to Finland. Finland's government has set a goal to be carbon neutral by 2035, one of the most ambitious targets on Earth. This commitment is woven into every part of society, especially tourism. The National Tourism Board, Visit Finland, has created the Sustainable Travel Finland program, a tough, 7-step development path for tourism companies. By 2026, seeing the STF label will be your guarantee that an experience meets the highest ecological and social standards. So, what does this actually look like? It looks like sleeping under the northern lights in a glass igloo heated with geothermal energy. It means exploring some of Europe's last great wilderness areas in national parks that are managed with scientific precision. In Finland, sustainability isn't an extra, it's the default. The Finnish approach is all-encompassing. It's about embracing slow mobility on an extensive network of trains and ferries that let you travel with a minimal carbon footprint. It's about food. Finland's food tourism strategy promotes local, seasonal ingredients, connecting you to the land through taste. Think foraged berries, fresh-caught fish from pristine lakes, and rye bread from a local bakery. And one of the most powerful tools Finland uses is data. The country developed a national system to monitor sustainable tourism, including a carbon footprint calculator for travel companies, to measure its progress with total transparency. This isn't greenwashing, it's green accounting. A visit to Finland in 2026 is a glimpse into a future where an entire nation works together to protect its treasures. It's a place where you can feel true peace in nature, knowing your visit is part of a master plan for preservation. Palau, the promise of preservation. Our final destination takes one of the most radical stands on Earth. In the Western Pacific, the island nation of Palau has decided that to protect paradise, you have to change the rules for who gets to enter it. The problem for so many fragile island ecosystems is being loved to death. Palau's solution is revolutionary. It treats the privilege of visiting as a responsibility. In 2017, it became the first country to change its immigration laws for the cause of environmental protection. The heart of this policy is the Palau Pledge. Upon arrival, every visitor's passport is stamped with a promise, written with the help of the children of Palau. You must sign this pledge, a formal vow to the next generation that you will act as a guardian of their home. This promise is backed by the Pristine Paradise Environmental Fee, a $100 fee included in your airline ticket. This isn't just a tax, it's a direct investment. The money funds the Palau National Marine Sanctuary, one of the world's largest, which protects 80% of the country's national waters, an area larger than California, from any form of extraction. It's a conservation effort that echoes the ancient Palauan tradition of bull, leaving ecosystems undisturbed to recover. A trip here is a chance to be a steward, not just a tourist. You can snorkel over reefs protected from toxic sunscreens, which Palau was the first nation to ban, or dive in a sanctuary that was the world's first to protect sharks. Your visit, guided by a personal promise, directly supports the survival of these pristine wonders. Palau is aiming to become the world's first carbon-neutral tourism destination. It challenges our whole idea of travel, shifting the focus from what we can take from a place to what we can promise to protect. So, from the community-powered rainforests of Costa Rica and the slow, mindful coast of Sardinia, to the regenerating reefs of Hainan and the carbon-zero adventures in Queenstown, from the nationwide green strategy of Finland to the profound promise of preservation in Palau. These places prove that we don't have to choose between a spectacular vacation and a sustainable one anymore. In fact, they show us that the most authentic and rewarding travel experiences are the ones that connect us more deeply with our planet and its people. They are the answer to our travel guilt, offering a way to explore the world not as a consumer, but as a caretaker. The future of travel isn't about seeing more places, it's about seeing the world with more purpose. It's about leaving a place better than we found it. And that is a journey worth taking. If this guide has sparked your curiosity and you're ready to travel more consciously in 2026, Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss our future deep dives into responsible travel. Thank you for watching. Now go, explore, and be a part of the change.